Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm back with another video. This is the hairstyle I'm going to be doing today. It's a half up top knot with bangs. And no, I didn't cut my hair. You have to watch the rest of the video to see how I got this look. So let's just get right into it because it's going to be another hair tutorial. Alright, so to start off the look, you want to make sure that your hair is straight. And I sectioned off the top piece of my hair already. So you want to go ahead and do that. Alright, so I'm going to start off first by laying my baby hairs. That's optional, obviously. Alright. So I'm basically just going like this and then just pretty sure you guys know how to lay baby hairs. Alright, so that's good for now. I might fix it later, but for now that's fine. Already sectioned. I'm going to go ahead and use a round brush to make sure that everything is like flat. And no, this is not going to be a half up, half down, even though it should be because that's literally the hairstyle I do every day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get one of my little elastics. And I'm just going to make a ponytail. Honestly, I'm about to just leave it like this because this is like my favorite hairstyle. I'm playing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the ponytail in half and split it. And get all this in the front. So then I'm just gonna brush it out. Now that I've split the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and create a little bump against the ponytail. So I'm just gonna get some bobby pins to hold that down for me, and I'm just gonna place them right there, one on this side and then one on this side, and place one on this side. Alright, I'm gonna take that out because I kind of placed it wrong. It's supposed to hold down the bangs. Alright, so now that I look crazy, I'm going to take some Chi Silk Infusion, and this is a balm. Like, not just for this, but for everything. Like, literally my hair is drenched in this at all times. And that's why I have blonde, silky hair. I'm just going to do how I would bangs. Ooh, these are long. Alright, so obviously these are a little too long, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull them back a little bit. So I just pulled the bangs a little bit back. And then you're going to get this, the piece that's still out. And you're going to try to form the bun as best as you can. So obviously that's a no, so I'm going to try and go this way. I'm going to try to close it a little bit and then go this way. Okay, that wasn't it, so instead I'm going to try to bend it this way to cover the bobby pin and then cover it. Just play with it until you got it. That's basically what I'm doing. And then I'm just getting an elastic to secure that. You want to kind of like just hold the hair down with the elastic. There we go. Now let's figure out this bang situation. I really didn't want the bangs to be this way. I don't even like them like this. Put one here. Alright, so I just have to play with them a little bit, but just have hair poking me in the eye left and right. think this is the ending of the video. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys like this hairstyle on me. Opinions. I don't really know. I think bangs are cute on me for like one day. I wouldn't do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.